Hello friends, today's topic 2008 there was a great crash. Is it repeating in 2025? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. The biggest global market fall in the last 25 years was in 2008 due to the global financial crisis. There was a huge financial crisis in US which had a negative effect all over the world. Some major financial institutions collapsed or merged with stronger companies or had to be saved by US government. Now, some people in the West are comparing the current trade war to 2008 since there is a chance of deteriorating growth and possibility of recession too if the situation gets worse. Let us review the past since it's very important to know since history repeats always. Comparison of 2008 versus 2024-25 of USA figures. Inflation 2008 minus 0.02%. 2024-2025 2.8%. SP 500 index stock market 2008 minus 37%, 2024-25 minus 18%. Gold prices 2008 plus 3%, 2024-25 plus 26%. GDP growth 2008 minus 0.1% and 2024-25 2.5%. So if we compare the parameters 2024-25 is quite different from 2008. In fact, GDP growth is much better but inflation is much higher than in 2008. The US Federal Reserve expected to cut interest rate further this year. However, there is no clarity of how the economy will react to the trade war. Nobody knows how long this trade war will continue. Even though the Indian economy was stable and doing well compared to the US economy in 2008, our stock markets fell massively due to the financial crisis in US. Oil prices are currently at a 4-year low. So this is positive for stock markets and for the Indian economy. Indian market has fallen by 52% in 2008. So far, since October 2024, Nifty is down only around 15%. So in 2008 seems to be quite different for the US economy compared to today's situation. Even Indian economy seems to be much stronger today compared to 2008. In this global stock market correction, Indian market has managed to perform much better than the other markets. Any crisis and stock market fall due to that is a great opportunity for long-term investors. The more this correction prolongs, the more investors will lose their patience. Apart from a 15% fall from recent high, Nifty has gone through a time correction for at least 7 months. Unless the trade war reduces in intensity and there is a quick recovery, markets could take another 4 to 6 months or more to recover to previous highs. By then, the markets would have had a good time correction and the higher returns of previous years would have got averaged out with the dullness of second half of 2024 till whenever there is a recovery of new highs. So just be happy for the range bound market for some more months since it gives you an opportunity to invest at broadly low prices. Once the market recovers fully, then a good rally can be expected and we may regret not having invested sufficiently during this period of weakness. So think about the long term whenever you take any actions in the markets. ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿದ್ದದ್ದು ಆಯಿತು ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ 8 April Tuesday at 9:15 p.m. in our other channel. Do you think 2008 performance of global markets will repeat in 2024-25? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.